Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the lock screen function in the TeraBox application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and wait for the advertisement to finish, and after that just click on the button at the top of the page on the left, and then click on the settings button, and then click on the security button, and here click on the lock screen button, the white circle, and just enter a lock screen password, whatever you want, and then just enter it again. And now you secured this application, and you can lock it with your passcode. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.